Okay, let me let y'all in on the secret. So Victoria's 30th birthday is this week. We are currently in Charleston, just got here last night. She only knows that our friends Alan and Alyssa are coming down, and we're currently staying with them in Charleston. But throughout the week, we have friends and family joining us down in Charleston, and she has no idea. So it's gonna be a fun surprise throughout the week when people just keep popping up. So y'all get to see some of the surprises. Tesla time.
It's Tesla time.
And the code is...
Oh, you want me to floor it?
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
Let's find a place where they're not going to scream at me for having done this. We'll go back out.
Victoria's convinced she needs a Tesla now.
No, I'm not.
She needs a Tesla. Or two. You each need one. Now, you can't pull out in front of cars with this thing because it doesn't have much power. So.
You just gotta like chill it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It goes.
That's awesome.
Okay, so we had a goal when we came to Charlotte was to do something that we had never done while living all those years in Charlotte. And P. Reezy over here found us a spot, what, Catawba River, right? Yeah. This is Fort Mill Dam access. Is that correct?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm just trying to give people the location. So we're gonna go float this thing and enjoy our Sunday. Happy Sunday.
Sunday. We might have overpacked a little bit, so we got some stuff together and we're gonna put it in our storage unit, and I brought some helpers. I'm not sure what Elizabeth's doing, but thanks for the help. Open it up! I'm trying. From the bottom. It's very loud. Woo! Think we can fit these in there? You have a lot of junk. I know. Do I miss anything out of here? Kinda. I think it's okay. Oh! I'm losing a lamp! Oh. Lamp down. Okay. Done. Ugh, girl boss.
See that? Burnt ends. Victoria's main priority when we got here was
Barbecue.
and y'all remember when we were in Austin, she said that brisket, which was delicious.
It's good. But this is barbecue.
We missed it. Midwood Smokehouse. Real barbecue.
Sayonara, Charlotte. It's been real. We got a lot of family and friend time in while we were here. We got DMV stuff handled, so we're now officially North Carolinians again.
Costs us a bit.
Yeah, it costs us quite a bit. They don't make it easy for you to change states when it comes to registrations and licenses and all that. So keep that in mind if you want to do this.
Thanks to our awesome families for letting us boondock.
Yes.
That was nice of them, and still your electricity.
Yes, and you know, probably make your homeowners association a little upset, but you know, we appreciate you all the same. Now we are headed to Granite Falls, North Carolina, to visit Victoria's dad and
Doesn't this all sound familiar, like episode 4 or something?
might be like, yeah, like at the state park. Yeah, the goodbye. And then we're going to head back to Charleston for a week, where we will also be getting our RV worked on. Thank you, Berkeley Outdoor, Berkeley RV, because they just accommodated us. We're going to be getting into town a little late tomorrow, which means
They
don't
lock up those gates.
Yeah, they have a lock around the gate, and they just kind of gave us a workaround. So we very, very much appreciate them being able to do that for us, because
We didn't know where to put it.
we had it all planned out. But you know, it's like everything else, plans change. Chucktown, we are back in ya. 4th of July weekend. You recognize those kids, don't ya? Sedona. Episode something. We're back. I don't know what episode it is. We are headed to a fun favorite thing of ours that we discovered our last summer in Charleston, which is Edisto River Adventures. Just a float where they basically drive you down, put you in, and they got a cool little beach hangout, cornhole, volleyball, food trucks. Should be good times. 4th, America. Woo!
White Claws.
White Claws. Ain't no laws when it comes to White Claws.
You're drinking White Claws. Get it right.
Oh, whatever. Got the whole crew here.
Alright, y'all ready?
Time to load up.
Did you hear how they were like, I've never seen more of Victoria's booty than like before, like after watching them.
That one where you come right up and it's like, hey, Victoria's mom.
He thinks he's being subtle, but I'm like, Thomas! Stop it.
I didn't cut you out of the video, Bert.
I think you did.
No, I didn't. It's
you
called editing. And I was screwing up what I was saying. So
Worst editing of all time.
happy 4th, America.
America.
Woo!
Got the pizza!
That's a big pie, girl. All right, well, since we're in Charleston, Cody's getting some repairs done at the dealership.
She's having a spa day.
Shout out to Nate at Berkeley RV for handling business. We've got a pantry door that's a little jammed
Jiffy.
up. There's a wheel at the bottom of it that's ripping up the floor, so they're gonna try and fix that and replace the ripped floor. We've got a fender that kind of fell off a little bit, so they're gonna reattach that and just gonna try and get a little love for our baby, you know?
Come on, girlies. Come on.
I think you could probably just go straight in.
Happy birthday!
Thank you so much for coming.
And look at that sweet, sweet bit. You can let them go now. Yeah, they'll be good. They're fun. Look at those eyes.
Wait, she likes it then. This is backfiring.
It is. No, it's back and
Oh,
forth.
she's like, give it back.
Undecided.
She's eating it like a piece of pizza right now.
She's taking bites.
Wow.
Oh, there it is.
That's what it
There it is. You're so
Probably except for that last part.
Maybe not the splash in the face.
You're loving it, aren't you? Not so much that part, but. So, do you feel any older today, my love?
I feel ancient.
You look great.
Thank you, baby.
So today, Victoria and I have decided to play tourist in our hometown, which has been fun. We're like, oh, what's that? We've never been down this side street. I think you could live here for decades and not see it all, even though it's not that big of a city. It's
There's
just
a lot
like
of nooks and crannies.
nooks, crannies, alleyways. You don't know the city until you walk it. You can't just drive through it because there's too many small things you're gonna miss. You know? Marketplace time. Victoria's got to replace a necklace that Oreo successfully ripped off of her neck. You may have seen that necklace bought in episode 2. 1? I don't know. But we're going to go spend money on stupid things. That's what we do here.
So I'd say all in all today was a success, yeah?
Absolutely, got all the things.
Went to some of our old favorites. Little shout out to JK Designs. You know I love that.
Old Whaling Company. I got all the soap.
All-
Our favorite soap.
All the soap. Also picked up a couple of cute prints from a local photographer that'll help remind us of Charleston when we hang them up in our RV.
Yes, very small prints because
Yeah.
that's all we can fit in the RV.
Yep.
And of course, we had to stop and get lemonade because that's what you do when you go to the market.
It gets hot out there. You need something refreshing.
It's hot. It kind of looks like Oreo feels the way that we do right now.
She's sleeping.
Yeah, ready to just like nap for days. Okay, well, vacation is officially over, y'all.
It was a long one.
Is there such a thing as too much free time? It's been almost 4 weeks since we left Yuma. And now we're on to our next destination, Roanoke, Virginia. I'm partied out. We celebrated for a wedding for 5 days in New York. We spent 10 days in Charlotte. We caught up with friends. There was a little bit of partying there. Then we went to Charleston for a birthday celebration week for this young lady's 30th birthday.
And also 4th of July.
It was great. Victoria had a lot of surprises over the Charleston celebration.
Yes, thank you everyone who came out to surprise me and everyone that wanted to and wasn't able to. I really appreciate all of y'all. You did a great job, Dave.
I tried. I did try.
Thank you.
I'm tired of being sneaky, I know that much.
I think you love me.
I do. I'll say it was nice to stay in an Airbnb, not a hotel, in downtown Charleston for the week. We were getting Cody repaired, so thank you to Berkeley RV for what you did. A couple of things we should probably talk about though. We went into this with a little bit of a small list. It wasn't that big, small list
Yeah, little things.
of things that needed to be repaired. The main issue was our pantry door. For anyone out there with a Kodiak Ultimate, ours is a 2020. It has a pantry door in which the living room ATV sits upon, and a ton of storage space behind it. One of these episodes, I'll link it here if you want to take a tour of the RV. The wheel had been stuck. It was ripping up the floor as we opened it. It was just getting worse and worse. They did fix that. That was issue number one. However, the floor that was damaged is currently
Still damaged.
yes, it's still under our 1-year dealer warranty. So we told them that we were coming in, and they maybe could have ordered the flooring knowing that it was damaged. Turns out that when we showed up, we found out that Berkeley RV is actually not a thing anymore, which is where we purchased Cody.
They have a larger parent company, Berkeley Outdoors.
Boats.
That still exists.
Golf carts,
But
ATVs.
the RV department, gone.
We didn't know that. No one decided to tell us that in any of our communications.
So that's fun.
So we showed up and the RV lot was completely empty. The gates were locked and all that fun stuff. They still are servicing a lot of their customers. So they did that for us free of charge. Some things they didn't fix that we did ask them to fix. Fender came off. It's because the plastic holes were being ripped out by the screws. It starts with one and it just gets a little worse, and then it just gets a little worse. So it was flapping. We had taken it off, asked them to fix that. Somehow that
Got overlooked.
yes. Our carbon monoxide monitor has been blowing up randomly for no reason. Good ventilation.
Propane's completely off.
Don't understand why it's doing it. Asked them to look at it last night when we got back to Charlotte for one night before heading to Virginia. It went berserk on us again. So that's not taken care of. We have mentioned the banquet dinette set before.
Oh, absolutely.
The RV originally came with a table and 4 chairs.
We swapped it out.
We swapped it out. We wanted more of a dinette thing. It came in different pieces, which we knew when we switched it out, and we knew we would have to put it together. So we've had our RV for roughly 9 months, right? Ordered it the day we purchased the RV. And we have been sent 3 different sets of drawers, and none of them fit. And again, Berkeley RV, they've been dealing with Keystone, not us. So I think that probably we're gonna have to go directly to Keystone on this. I don't know what the other solution is, but again, they did know we were coming, and we don't have drawers leaving Charleston.
I really hope it's not them passing the blame.
Could be one of those things. You just really never know.
I just really want my drawers.
Yes.
I just really want a complete dinette set.
We haven't put it all the way together because we have no drawers. So, we'd like to get that resolved. So, Keystone, holler at us, Project RV Living Lost. Let's fix this.
We're gonna get settled into Roanoke. I'm really ready to have a home base again.
Yeah, for as much as we obviously travel around a lot from that home base, wherever we are, you know, at least we know that we're going back to recover for a couple days and have some normalcy, a little bit of schedule. I have time to edit videos. Victoria goes back to work for a few days. A lot of times, you know, you're traveling so much, you get caught up in like how much fun you're having, but I think that like downtime is really important for us, at least as travelers.
I need a little bit more of a schedule and consistency sometimes for myself. And also, more importantly, days to do absolutely nothing.
Yeah, Victoria's been talking about a day where she can do absolutely nothing
2 months.
for close to 2 months.
2 months.
But we've been on the move. So, Roanoke, here we come. Very excited. A lot of outdoor activities. We've heard mixed reviews from everybody that has either lived there, visited there, been through there. So we're just gonna decide for ourselves. And that's what we typically find is that everybody's got an opinion about a place. And you know, it's up to us to decide what we like, so.
And you gotta make the best of wherever you go. You know, like we didn't know what to expect going into Yuma. And
Yeah,
we made the best of it.
if we can live in Yuma for 13 weeks, we can live anywhere, I believe.
Yeah.
So, happy Saturday. What day is it? Sure. Okay, well, thanks for coming over, friends. We'll see you in Virginia.